LEDGER Stax, Step by Step. Set up your crypto wallet on PC. Step 1. Unbox and power on. Inside the box, you'll find the LEDGER Stax device, a USB-C cable, recovery sheet, and guide. Press and hold the right side button on the device for 1 second to power it on. Step 2. Download LEDGER Live. Go to LEDGER.com, start and download LEDGER Live Desktop for your PC. Step 3. Connect to PC. Plug the LEDGER Stax into your computer using the USB-C cable. Open LEDGER Live and choose Set up with LEDGER Live Desktop. Step 4. Name your device. On the LEDGER screen, tap Set Name. Type a name, e.g., My Stax, and confirm. Step 5. Choose a PIN. Tap Choose My PIN, then enter and confirm a 4-8-digit PIN on the device. Step 6. Set up recovery phrase. Select Set it up as a new LEDGER device. Shows your 24-word seed phrase. Write all words in order on the recovery sheet. Then confirm by selecting the words when prompted. Step 7. Verify authenticity and update OS. LEDGER Live will check the device's genuineness. If an OS update is available, follow prompts to install it. Step 8. Install crypto apps in LEDGER Live. Go to Manager, approve access on the device, and install apps for coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. Step 9. Add accounts within LEDGER Live. Select Accounts, Add Account, choose your coin, and follow the instructions to sync. Step 10. Send and receive. Click Receive, select the account, verify the address on the device. Send, click Send, unto recipient, amount, then confirm on both LEDGER Live and the device. Step 11. Keep everything updated regularly. Check Manager in LEDGER Live for firmware and app updates to stay secure.